Hello and welcome to Tinker's Cart a la carte club, and thank you for joining. It's a fabulous way to jump in and get some instruction, one painting a month, so it's very easy to follow along. And here we are in the Mighty Networks platform. So this is where we keep all of the recordings. It also has a discussion feed where you can post your paintings and connect with other creatives that are in the group as well. So let me show you around. Here we are in the club. Across the top is a tab for monthly recordings, which automatically usually pops up in the featured section. And here are all the paintings we've done in the club so far. So you have instant access to all of these paintings. So if you click on the box there, you are going to get the inspiration photo, the photo there. You will get a link to Dropbox. So you'll click on this, it'll take you to Dropbox. You will find the tracers there, the color palette, all those things that you can download. And if you ever need a different size tracer, you want to paint something a little different shaped, just let me know. I can make a new tracer for you in a different size easily. And you can also click on the recording. That will bring you to the class, and you can watch the entire class from there. So that's what you will find. Let me turn that off now. So each little featured section has one of the recordings there. If you go up to the top and click on the feed, this is a discussion feed. When I post the class, it will show up here, but you may also share your paintings here yourself. You can add pictures, comments, and it's a nice way to get to know the other members. The other members you can look up on the member tab. It will show you if there's members that are local to your area if you wish. This is all set up when you create your profile, so you want to keep it private, you can, but when you set up your profile, you can decide. And quick search here. It will just kind of show you some of the recordings. It's just a place for me to house everything for you to access it anytime. As long as you're a member, you have access to these paintings. Each month I add them to it. A good idea may also be is to save each monthly email. Around the first of the month, you'll get an email that will have all the links, in, just like I'm showing you in the email. Then I also put it here. So if you have a little trouble navigating, you can always save those emails, and those links will jump you to this as well. So anyways, if you have any questions, please reach out. You can leave a message for me here. You can send a direct message up top here. You can see where you can send a message to me. And an email. You can reply back to the emails at any time. I'm always around, and any suggestions you have for paintings and things you might want to see, I will be happy to consider that. Each of these paintings you receive is one of the paintings that is in my Tinker's Cartist art group. That is a membership that includes 3 paintings a month. We paint live a couple times a month usually, and then you get a recording. But this is a great way to jump in, try it, see if you like how I teach, and if you want to upgrade to the Cartist membership anytime, you can do that too. So thank you guys for your time and welcome, and thank you for joining.